it's raining.
That's cold. That's like really cold. Mum!
Did you have a nice refreshing shower there?
Cold.
It's just raining a little bit. We just got back from shopping from the retail park. Do excuse the state of me. Our son's just got to move his car in a bit, but he's waiting until it stops raining a little bit. It looks like we won't be going into Kingsbury Water Park today due to the fact that it's raining. We're forecast thunderstorms, but hey ho, we've had some brilliant time. This is hubby. This is just going from the car, which is just there. It's just a tad raining, darlings.
What?
It's just raining. Just a tad.
I still didn't hear what she said.
So for lunch, it seems to be the same story, but I've actually warmed all this up. So we've got sausages, sausage rolls, some Kievs, what was there, some fried bites, and a couple of pasties that were left. I had some potato salad and tomato sauce with it, because I think we possibly will be having takeaway this evening. So that's what we have got for lunch. This is the hard life, isn't it? It's chill out afternoon and playing Daniel's new game from the Switch, but they're playing it on the TV here. So yeah, so they're having a gaming afternoon. So I have tidied completely up and cleaned up. They've still got the TV in the awning from gaming. I've just done my Poundland haul. It keeps raining off and on. It's getting quite late now. I think it is, let's have a look, 20 to 8 at the moment. So there you are. This is our son's quilt. I've put a clean quilt on there, got clean covers on there. Yes, I did dismantle the bed because I wanted to hoover up, although bits are traipsing in from the awning because that'll be my job for tomorrow. All the blankets and everything are folded up, so we will be remaking this up later when we watch our movie anyway. And so excuse the mess, this will be my job tomorrow, which will be clearing up in here. There's the chairs. We actually got these from the range a few years ago now, and I think this little table came from Jackson's of Old Arley a couple of years ago, and that one might have come from the range as well. Got my map there, my planner, all my crafting stuff is in that pile there. I've got my big crafting bag. As I said, they've had the TV here, so I've got to move the shoes over, but I say I'm still waiting for them to come back with the takeaway. And here is laundry, including bedding, gifts and things that I've purchased also in the haul. This is the coat hangers because I've got all black now, so those 3 bags are going back with our son tomorrow. He's only he's been here a fair few days, as long as we have, but we're staying on an extra 2 days because he's got to go to work, unfortunately, so he's brought his own car anyway. So we've already loaded most of the boot with other stuff that needs to go back, including the boxes from the boxes from Hobbycraft and a few other gifts and everything. I might put the gonks in there. I'm afraid that hubby might chuck them in the bin, but I don't think he will. I don't think he'll dare. That's just bags that have to go back into our car, which is out at the moment to get the takeaway. So we took the flags down because the wind picked up and it started raining, so there we are. So this will probably be my job tomorrow, possibly when our son is gone home. I'll probably do in here, and there's his Switch. That's what they've been playing, Mario Kart, I believe. I'm not sure if this is the one or is this another one. I'm not sure which one this is. This is they did pick up a game. I think it might have been this one. I know it was a Pokemon game. It was a belated birthday gift we bought for our son, due to the fact that I bought him a few little bits but not his main present because we didn't know what he wanted. I was going to get him Fast and Furious 9 on Blu-ray, but it's not been released yet, so he'll probably have that for Christmas. See, I know, I'm thinking, I've got it in my list. I say it's like Spaghetti Junction beyond there, like it's like at home.